Welcome to Best Choice. The best vinyl paint is probably one of the most effective ways to breathe new life into your worn-out vinyl surfaces. Whether it's your car seats, your favorite armchair, or even some outdoor furniture, this paint can cover up fading, stains, and cracks, giving everything a fresh, updated look. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of vinyl upholstery paint, exploring its uses, benefits, and how to get the best results. Number 5. Dupli-Color HVP 106 Flat Black Vinyl and Fabric Coating. Tired of faded or worn interior? This Dupli-Color spray paint is the perfect solution. It's designed to revitalize your vehicle's fabric and vinyl surfaces. This paint features a maximum adhesion promoter, ensuring it bonds directly to your interior components. The flexible, self-priming formula prevents cracking, peeling, or chipping. Get professional results with this easy-to-use spray. The nozzle provides maximum coverage, making the application process simple and efficient. This paint dries quickly, being touch-dry in just 30 minutes and fully handleable in an hour. It's ideal for restoring or customizing various interior components. Use it on vinyl seats, dashboards, door panels, shifter boots, and consoles. This product from Dupli-Color is a trusted choice for vehicle appearance since 1938. What we like. This paint dries quickly, allowing you to handle your project in just an hour. Its flexible, self-priming formula ensures it won't crack or peel. If you're looking for a quick and durable solution for your car's interior, you should consider this. What people say. Use this along with the adhesion promoter to paint the trim pieces in my 1984 Firebird. Sticks really well. Is flexible. And looks great. It changed the color so easily and quick. Great coverage and really brought the piece up to date. Number 4. Rust-Oleum 191-1830 Vinyl Spray, 11 ounces, white. Introducing a product designed to breathe new life into your vinyl items. This spray is perfect for a variety of surfaces, from car seats to furniture, making them look fresh and new. Made with real vinyl paint resins, this product is flexible, matching the movement of the vinyl. It provides a durable and permanent color, ensuring your items stay vibrant. Time is of the essence, and this product understands that. It dries to the touch in just 10 minutes, allowing you to quickly get back to using your items. Each can offers impressive coverage, up to 7 square feet. This means you can tackle multiple projects with a single can, saving you time and money. The result is a beautiful, shiny, and smooth finish. It will give your items a professional look, enhancing their appearance and protecting them from wear and tear. What we like. This product is made with actual vinyl paint resins, making it flexible and durable. It dries to the touch in just 10 minutes, saving you valuable time. If you need a quick and easy way to refresh your vinyl surfaces, you should consider this. What people say. So I sprayed heavy coats that actually ran down the sides. It's really important to wipe the window off with water and then dry it completely. Otherwise it works like a charm. This stuff turned out amazing. I taped off everything and put 3 light coats on. The next day I just wiped them down, for overspray, and they look and feel like brand new vinyl. Number 3. M25083 Carver White Marine Vinyl Coat. This is the M25083 Carver White Marine Vinyl Coat. It's designed to protect marine vinyl surfaces. This product is a great choice for maintaining and restoring the appearance of your boat's interior. The M25083 is specifically formulated to protect marine vinyl. It helps to prevent damage from the sun, salt, and other environmental factors. Using it can extend the life of your vinyl. This product comes in a convenient 12 ounces spray can. It's easy to apply, providing even coverage. You can quickly and easily protect your marine vinyl. The color is Carver White Marine, designed to match and restore the original look. It's perfect for touch-ups or complete restoration projects. It will make your boat look its best. This vinyl coat is easy to apply. Simply spray it on and let it dry. It provides a durable, long-lasting finish. What we like. This is a marine-grade vinyl coating, specifically designed for marine applications. It comes in a Carver white color, perfect for boats. If you are looking for a durable and marine-specific solution, you should consider this. What people say. We used this on our freshly painted vinyl boat sets. First we painted the seats and waited for 24 hours, then applied this as a finish coat. It worked well as a top coat which should seal the fresh painting job and help it last longer. We just painted the boat seats a few months ago but then put our boat away, so we won't know until next year how well the painted seats will last. We used them a couple of weeks after we painted them and they looked great and didn't chip or crack. So far so great. Day 1 review, overall very positive. It took 4 coats plus some extra coats in a few places to cover all of the dark spots on my seats, but they now look and feel brand new. I painted the seats in place, outdoors on a breezy day with temperature in the mid-70s. I went through the recommended process of first cleaning the seats with a water bleach mixture to kill mold, second using the SEM 39362 soap, 15 ounces with a scuff pad, third spraying on the SEM 38343 vinyl prep, SEM 38343 vinyl prep, 13.3 ounces and wiping it off with a cloth, and fourth spraying the SEM M25083 Carver white marine vinyl coat, SEM M25083 Carver white marine vinyl coat, 12 ounces. I used this to dye the seats in my 98 Sea Ray boat. The seats were prepped using the SEM vinyl scrub soap and vinyl prep, both available from Amazon. I prepped the seat cushions and, once they were completely dry, I applied the coating as directed. The dye adhered great and looks amazing. I sprayed multiple coats and the coverage was great. The dye also restores the pliability and soft feel of the vinyl. Once completed, I allowed the cushions to sit in the sun each day for about a week. Just remember, your end results may vary if you don't invest the time and money into properly preparing the substrate. Number 2. SEM M25103 Marine Ray Alabaster Vinyl Coat. This is a repair coating designed specifically for marine vinyl. It's perfect for fixing any damage or wear and tear. This product will restore the look of your vinyl. The color is alabaster, a bright and clean white. It's a great choice for marine applications. It will make the surface look new again. This coating is suitable for both vinyl and plastic surfaces. It provides a durable and long-lasting repair. It's easy to apply and provides excellent coverage. This is the product code for this specific coating. It's a reliable product from SEM. You can trust it to get the job done. A color guide is available to help you choose the right shade. It ensures you get the perfect match for your needs. This will help you get the best results. What we like. This is a marine-grade vinyl coating, specifically designed for marine applications. It comes in a ray alabaster color, perfect for boats. If you are looking for a durable and marine-specific solution, you should consider this. What people say. The results were excellent. The 15-year-old armrests on my boat look like new. Much easier to use than I expected, but make sure you buy their spray vinyl preparation too. After cleaning them I painted over the stains and the seats look like new. Number 1. Rub and Restore Marine White Paint. This paint is designed to cover imperfections like mold, scratches, and fading. Its water-based formula also provides UV protection while conditioning the material. It's an easy way to refresh your items. Don't let the thin consistency fool you. This pigment-rich paint offers great coverage in just a few coats. It dries with a natural feel and won't flake or peel, ensuring a long-lasting finish that won't stain your clothes. It worked well on various types of leather and vinyl, perfect for furniture, boats, and cars. However, avoid using it on peeling or bonded leather, as well as suede or nubuck. Make sure the color change is from light to dark. An 8-ounce bottle can cover a significant area with one coat, or multiple coats on a smaller surface. A 16-ounce bottle offers even more coverage. This ensures you get the most out of your purchase. Each purchase includes a bottle of paint, a color swatch, gloves, a stir stick, and an instructional card. Everything you need to get started is included, making the process simple and convenient. What we like. This paint restores and protects leather or vinyl surfaces while adding UV protection. Its water-based formula conditions as it colors, providing a natural feel. If you like a product that offers both restoration and protection with a natural finish, you should consider this. What people say. These are really effective and easy to use products that work. Chairs look pristine again. This is a brilliant product that not only extended the life of my furniture but also saved me the hassle of finding a repair person and shipping the furniture. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.